escape room creators.
Hi, I want to present you our room that you will see, I think, though, it's about the Curse of the Beast. Though it has a very interesting legend, but it is customized rooms. We do it all on turnkey basis, so we made it the doors, we made it the school near the doors. We do the whole design of this location. At start, when the operator starts the room, the storytelling going in a dark room. So the players going in a game from a start, and they can listen the story from a start to finish. After the legend is stopped, after the story is already told, the lights in the room is turning on and the players can start to play. In the start they get the lamp like that and a help system amulet. Just a second, I'll take it. So the players get the help system amulet. They just need to press in a stone and operator hears that they need help. By the system of microphones and dynamics speakers, operator can to talk with the players and ask them which one type of help they need. But it's like a thing that will not get them out from the story. They have all items that they are a part of a game, a part of a room. So when they get in the first room, they get in like an old cabin, in a wood cabin, and they can start to seek for some items. For a start, they can find items like this one, and they need to put them in a star. They find them in different places. They find them in a hidden place in the ceiling. They just need to get it up and they get the item. Some parts of this play they find in a chest, but for chest will come in sometime later. They need to blow a candles to open the transition. It's the first transition is this room, and they can to go in the transition at the start. So they have a hint in the picture to understand in which one order they need to blow a candles. So it's a middle one, small one, and big one. When we blow in all candles, after that we have opened this transition. Sorry. In the other room. They need to go in inside, and after that they go in this room. I left this door open, so I don't want to get in transition. Once they get in this room, they have a button to open this door, and also this button opens the chest with a double bottom. You have already seen that it's secret point, like you use this and you open a second bottom. So after we opened it, we also have here a riddle with a slider puzzle. So we just need to move them and repeat the picture that we find here. Then we have opened this chest of drawings and we can find the other items. For now, for this point of the game, they don't need to do here nothing because they don't find all items to the other riddles in this room. So after transition, they can find all items for the next riddle. It's a riddle with a star. So we just need to put all items in the right positions. After we will do it, it will open it this niche, and we will find items that we need to moving to the third room. After we open this, we've already find all items that we need to go into the third room, sorry. So we put in ice in their places and we can open it. When we open it, we have a locked door, a locked grid. To open the grid, we have found a star. We put in the star here, and the key of this grid fell down, and you can open it, the lock. For now, it's not closed. So we get in the next room, and we have few riddles here. For a start, we have a riddle with an arbalete. So we have an arbalete, and we can use it to get the apple balls that in the ball. I'm not a good shooter, but I'll try. So I get the apple with the secret inside. So I have a key. After I finally do it, I can open this one lock. And I can play with the chess that you already saw in the other game flow. But I need a lamp to find a hint in a window. So I can open a window and I feel nothing. But when I will take a lamp that I have in a start, I can put it here and I see the right combination. I will need your help. So you just need to press the star, this one, and B. Which one? Okay, so I put this. M and B. Okay, it open. After I open it, I get the next item that I need in a riddle with the gears. So I just need to put it here and turn it, and I get a key. After I get a key, I can open the next transition. So I take out a lock and open it. I have a lamp, and when I get it here, I can do nothing without a light. But I can do that. I can make a light with the torches with my lamp. So I just need to light up the torches. After I have done it, I can find the next one key to open this one lock. It's have a lot of locks, but it's very realistic in this one room. So I open the other grid, and I have a hint. You have already seen this hint in the room of Rescue of Seven Kingdoms, when you need to put your hands here, push into your ear, and you will hear a hint. But without these movings, you can do this. It's like an apparatus for hearing. When people hear badly, it's the sound is going by a bones. So it's usable. It's using the same system. Also here I can find mushrooms. I was heard in a hint that I need a mushroom, but not a usual mushroom. I need a mushroom that have a lighting. So for this to understand which one lighting mushroom, I need to go in to my arbalete tire, because I have here UV light. Can you turn off the light? So when I put in mushroom inside, one of them is lighting and my nails lighting. So I can use this one mushroom to the riddle to have an antidote for a beast. So you can see that all items are protected from a damage proof. So I take my last ingredient and going to the second room of this location. I need to do the antidote for a beast. So when I'm doing the antidote, I need to do few moves. I need siphons to make in a fire and put the right ingredients. Just a second, I will take a siphons. So I have forget a few items. I need also a hand. So I will move it to the other side. And starting blowing a fire, I'll ask you to make it a light, a smaller light, because I need that people see how it's blowing up. It's blowing up, it's making more red. After you already fan a fire, after that it's stopping to turn off. As you see, it's not enough for now, and starting to making a noise like a usual fire. Okay, it's already ready. So you can hear a sound that you can understand that you do already right. After that, I take all ingredients that I already find it, and I hear the hint which one ingredients I need, and I put them into a cauldron. After I do this everything right, I put the all items and fire. It will open a secret niche with a smoke machine, with a fog machine, and I will find the antidote stone. So when I get an antidote stone, I need to go into the last room in which we was. It's a cave. In the cave, I see the stone. It's like a drinking place for a bear, for the beast. And there I was find one thing. Let's go. I'll show you that. So I found this crane, and I need to use it in the other side, in a room with a cauldron, and I need to put this antidote stone inside. So for a start, I will going and open in the water, and you will see here how it coming into the stone. So we have a fast transition in this room, so I can show you that you need to put it here. We can't do it with your fingers, it's very hard. That's why you need a special item for this. It's not a girl's work, it's for a man's, but I'll do it for you. So you just open water, and the water going from here to the other room, to the stone for an antidote. So we already have the other fast transition, and we see how water is going here. And the last thing what we need to do, we need to put a stone inside, but it must going inside, it must a lot of water. So we have indicated quantity of water is going inside, and after that it will understand is the stone inside the water or no. So we just need to waiting before water coming. So after we doing the all things that we need, the water going to the needed level and the stone inside, it's starting to light inside. Show please how it like it. Turn off the light please. So it's looking very great, and you hear the last words of a witch that live in this cabin, that you have take out a curse of a beast, but it's not a finish for you, because when you go into the witchcraft, it will go in with you all life. So it's a final of our room. I hope you like it. It's really great room. It's very realistic, very naturally. It was made by us, by turnkey mode. So everything what you see here was made by Legendary Quest.